to take us up to the top. And my suede jacket always